Put a John Deere in it.
Put the. That's got me. That's not a turbo.
See what side of the road it's on? Ah, pile of junk. I'm wearing earmuffs. There's Brian. I'm not vintage.
Not vintage.
Lay long. Oh yeah, it goes on for quite a while. So far you're just getting on the end of the road.
Every show I go to is full of potholes and
Vintage-ish.
What?
It's nearly vintage. See, you're still coming around the top corner up there. Wait, can I borrow that? Wait a second. Can I borrow that? Go in. Okay. Some slow pokes. Oh no, it's nearly over.
Somebody's coming down here with no roof.